I'm just about to start sneezing. Oh my god. Oh, getting a lockjaw again. I'm trying to hold it back. Oh god. I hate it when I get this lockjaw when I'm sneezing. Oh. Oh my. I thought it would stop. There's more coming. I think it's nearly finished. Yeah, it's finished. Well, that's been a sneeze, and that's my first sneeze in about a week now. No, not in a week, but in about 4 days. And that's because I've been sitting inside with the air cleaner. We've had torrential rains. I will post a video. Well, I will attach a video to this video to let you see the storm we had. So yeah, when I'm sitting inside with the air cleaner, I don't really sneeze very often. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I will add a noise or a sound effect. You have to guess what it is. Keep you posted, folks. Love you all. And I go, but it never works for me, so I'll try again. And I'll go, good night all.